Hi everyone. Welcome to today's session, where we're diving into the fascinating world of AI-powered social media automation. Imagine this. After a long day at work, you don't have to spend hours brainstorming posts for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Instead, an AI system does it all for you, in your tone, with daily precision. Today, I'll show you how to set up this 100% automated system that will not only streamline your workflow but also enhance your brand's engagement with followers. Let's get started. My name is Hone. I have a strong interest in technology and business management. I operate a business that offers outsourcing services to clients in fintech, e-commerce, and AI. Now, let's jump into building this exciting social media AI system step by step. The primary tool we'll use today is Make.com, a robotic process automation (RPA) platform. Make.com allows you to visually connect various software and workflows, all without writing a single line of code. Let's break this down. Google Sheets acts as the data source for news links and articles. Perplexity AI, a language model that can access real-time web data. Claude and OpenAI, AI platforms to create posts for different social media platforms. Social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, X, and LinkedIn. Step 1. Setting up Make.com. First, sign up for a Make.com account. Once logged in, click on Create New Scenario. This visual tool lets you map out the automation process. Click the plus button to start building your workflow. Step 2. Create a trigger. Triggers initiate the automation. Here, our trigger is a new row added to a Google Sheet containing a URL for a recent article about your niche or industry. Here's how. Set up your spreadsheet. Create a sheet with 2 columns, one for the article link and one for the title. Add a test link, e.g., an article about Elon Musk's thoughts on AI. Configure the trigger. In Make.com, select Google Sheets and choose Watch New Rows. Link your spreadsheet and limit the action to 1 row at a time. Adjust the schedule to daily, e.g., 8 a.m., to post consistently. Step 3. Summarize the article with Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI excels at retrieving and summarizing web content. Set it up as follows. API key setup. Log into Perplexity, retrieve your API key, and paste it into Make.com. Create a module. Add a Perplexity module to the scenario. Select Create a chat completion and input your API key. Prompt for summary. In the content field, input. Summarize this article and link it to the article URL from your spreadsheet. Run the test to verify the AI summarizes the content accurately. Step 4. Generate social media posts. Next, create posts tailored for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, X, and LinkedIn. Use Claude and OpenAI for this step. Set up a router. Create a router module in Make.com to generate posts for multiple platforms simultaneously. Facebook post, Claude. Configure Claude with your API key. Add a prompt such as, act as a social media manager and create a Facebook post summarizing this article. Engage the audience with a compelling introduction, include essential details, and encourage likes, comments, and shares. Link this to the summary generated earlier. Instagram post, OpenAI. Use OpenAI's API. Prompt example. Create an Instagram post with an inspirational tone based on this article. Include emojis, hashtags, and an engaging call to action. Twitter post, OpenAI. Repeat the process for Twitter, with a shorter and snappier tone. LinkedIn post, Claude. Adjust the tone to be professional and informative, suitable for a LinkedIn audience. Step 5. Generate visuals for Instagram. For Instagram, visuals are crucial. Use OpenAI's DALL-E to create relevant images. Add a module. In Make.com, select Generate Image under OpenAI's options. Input your prompt. Example. Create a futuristic AI-themed image suitable for social media. Link this to your Instagram workflow. Step 6. Connect social media platforms. Finally, connect your social media accounts to Make.com. Facebook. Select Create a post and link the Facebook text content generated by Claude. Instagram. Configure it to post both the caption and the image created earlier. Twitter, X. Add the text content for Twitter. LinkedIn. Set it up to post the LinkedIn-specific content. Step 7. Test and refine before going live. Test your workflow to ensure everything works as expected. Check the outputs for each platform and tweak prompts as needed. For example, if Facebook posts are too long, reduce their length. If Instagram captions need more emojis, update the prompt accordingly. If you're not ready for full automation, you can send drafts to your email for review. Add a Gmail module in Make.com to send AI-generated content to your inbox. Once you're satisfied with the prompts and results, enable full automation. Update your spreadsheet. Ensure your Google Sheet has enough article links to keep the automation running. Monitor performance. Check your social media insights to see how the posts perform and tweak your strategy if necessary. Optimize prompts. Continuously refine your prompts to match your brand's voice and objectives. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out the free course link below to learn more about AI and automation. See you in the next video.